Earth restoration does not begin with speeches, pledges, or policy frameworks. It begins with land. Every ecological system is anchored to surface area. No land, no biomass, no atmospheric correction. The first practical question is not how much carbon we emit, but how much land can actively absorb it. Earth has approximately 149 million square kilometers of land. Not all of it is usable. Some is frozen, some is desert, some is urbanized, but far more is recoverable than current narratives admit. Restoration does not require perfection. It requires prioritization. The Planetary Cycle Theory shows that stabilization occurs fastest, where biological mass can scale rapidly. That means regions with high sunlight, adequate water access or recoverable rainfall cycles, degraded but recoverable soils, low competing land use pressure. These regions exist on every continent. The mistake civilization keeps making is spreading effort evenly. Nature does not respond evenly. It responds exponentially. A restored hectare in the tropics does not equal a restored hectare in the Arctic. A degraded savanna does not behave like a dense rainforest. Land must be ranked, not moralized. Implementation begins with land classification. First-tier land, areas where biomass can be established immediately with minimal intervention. These produce the fastest atmospheric returns. Second-tier land, areas requiring soil rebuilding, water management, or species sequencing. Slower start but long-term stability. Third-tier land, regions unsuitable for rapid restoration today, but viable in later phases as systems stabilize. This is not exclusion, it is sequencing. Once land is classified, restoration becomes mechanical. Inputs go in, outputs are measured. Carbon absorption is not abstract. It is hectares multiplied by species multiplied by growth rate. From this point forward, every restoration decision ties back to land. How much is needed, where it exists, what grows there best, and what measurable effect it produces. Earth is not short on land. It is short on coordination. This episode establishes the foundation. From here on, restoration becomes unavoidable.